Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today... Alright, I'm gonna be honest. I know I'm late on this, and that's my bad. But you guys have just been so amazing as a community, and we breezed past this milestone way too quickly for me to post about it. What milestone, you ask? Well, you beautiful, inquisitive minds, let me thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subs. And to thank you and show you how much all of this has meant to me, I'm going to be remaking what I consider to be my first piece in the Blue Meanies series to show you the progress that y'all have helped me cultivate in my artistic prowess. That's right, from 2 years ago, we're bringing back the fisherman from my one-line portrait painting part 2 and giving him a glow up. So let's see how much y'all have helped me improve in the last 2 years, shall we? To make a fair comparison, I'll start with a flat background, just like I did in the original painting. However, with this painting, I'll opt for a military green rather than a dark blue. With that quick background sesh over, let's take a sharp turn towards sketching. I'll set up my projector and cast this crusty lad onto the canvas. Then just outline my line work with a pencil. With my path laid out clearly in front of me, it's time to carefully pull out my beloved Posca pens and get to re-outlining my outlines, but you know, visible this time. I wanted this character to maintain all the core elements of the original painting so that I could be satisfied in seeing my progress displayed evidently. And hopefully I can show all of you how far our journey has taken. All I wanted to change in the end is the composition and the quality. You know, I was really proud of this painting back in the day when I created it. And honestly, I still am. While I look back on it and think of all of the ways that I can make it better, and currently am, this was a big turning point on my artistic journey that I credit with leading me to the style that I've cultivated today. It's the first character I created that I consider to be a Blue Meanie, and now I've made hundreds of them, and they're the focus of my art. So I couldn't think of a more deserving character to revisit and reconstruct. How's that going, by the way? I consider the color choices to be part of the core elements as well. So I maintained the general color scheme of the character, but just as I gave the character's form more depth, I wanted the colors to do the same. So I adopted a larger range of colors, blocking in the start of the gradients that will show up later, while keeping the blue skin tones of a Blue Meanie and the orange clothing of the original fisherman.
I didn't know I could feel like that.
But the greatest change is going to come from my newest point of progress that you're getting a little sneak peek of right here, my stippling. This has only been a part of my painting style for the last 3 paintings I've created, but it's already become indispensable to me. The amount of soul and personality it brings to my portraits, I think, has been the greatest innovation in my painting style since the creation of the Blue Meanies. But let's see if you agree with me. The The stippling obsession all started with the goddess portrait. I originally called it Two Little Birds, but that's just because I had recently seen the Bob Marley movie and I had a Rasta brainworm. So we're going with the YouTube title name of The Goddess, which is actually my favorite painting I've created to date and the second major turning point in my recent career. My style was originally iconic for its flat graphic look, but I had always been looking for ways to appropriately bring more depth and shading to my pieces without losing that fundamental essence. For literal years, I couldn't figure out how I wanted to accomplish this, but for some reason my brain didn't even consider the obvious answer that worked well with my tools and style. Until after working on my tattoo designs, it hit me like an icy Bering Sea wave hits a crab fisherman, and I knew I was born to stipple, and I haven't looked back since. Granted, it's been 2 whole videos, but I just feel it. I can maintain all of my heavily saturated colors by using other saturated colors for the shading. It's a perfect loophole and brings texture and depth to my characters like they've never seen before. Once I have the messy work out of the way, I have to tighten everything up and bring back some of that graphic appeal by adding large areas of dark black shading that fade into clean line work with heavy line weight variation. I can capture that one-line chisel tip style of the original fisherman portrait, while also bringing a lot more drama to the form of our portrait subject. This helps to make all of my colors pop against the background and brings forth the ultimate shadiness that I want all of my characters to possess. I mean, I literally brought more shadow to the character. It's not very subtle. I might as well be hitting this idea on the head with a lead pipe. But I'm never really satisfied, and how do you know when a painting is done? So to definitively unify everything, I'll blend in the black line work on the darkest areas of shadows with some final black stippling. This will bump up that contrast to where it needs to be, giving all those harsh definition lines a 3-dimensional purpose and defining the forms with clarity. And to finish off strong, I'll add some of my evergreen hatched line work for detail. And then the painting is complete and ready for those final shots. Well, there you have it, my peoples. My painting Blackbeard, the version 2 of the fisherman portrait is complete. And I truly think that it speaks for itself. But with the side-by-side visible now, y'all will have to let me know what you think. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough. It means the world to me. And with that being said, thank you so much again for helping me reach over 1,000 subscribers. It is fantastic to be here. You guys are amazing. I love bringing these videos to y'all, and I cannot thank you enough for all the support you guys have given me over these years. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
watching.